Hello everyone, welcome to day 30 of 30 days lead code challenge. Today we are going to solve merge intervals problem. Involves merging all overlapping intervals in a list of intervals and returning the result as a list of non-overlapping intervals. So in this problem, you can see an array intervals 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 10, 15, 18, and the output will be 1, 6, 8, 10, 15, 18. Since intervals 1, 3 and 2, 6 overlaps, so we will merge them into 1, 6. So we will divide our solution into two parts. First, we will sort the intervals and then we will merge them. For sorting intervals, we will use array.sort method and we will pass our interval array. But this time we will sort by their start time. That's why we will have a function inside that where we will pass a comma b and we will compare a of first index and b of first index. So that means a of 0 comma b of 0. Then we will declare a list merged intervals. So now we will declare a variable current interval and we will initialize it with the first value of intervals. And we will add this current interval inside merge intervals. After that, we will have a for loop which will iterate through intervals array. Then we will declare three variables. The first variable will be in current end, which will be equal to current intervals of 1. Then we will declare next start, which will be equal to interval of 0. And next end, which will be equal to interval of 1. Now to check if current interval overlaps with the next interval, we will check if current interval is greater than or equal to next start. And for merging them, we will compare current end and next end and we will add the maximum value to current interval of 1. And if it is not true, then we will add the next interval as new interval. So again, we will update our current interval value and we will add that value to our merged intervals array. And at last, we will return merged intervals array by converting it to an array. Now let's check if everything looks fine. I think it looks fine. So let's try to run the code. The time complexity of this code is big of n log n, where n is number of intervals. Sorting the intervals take big of n log n and the subsequent merging will take big of n time complexity. So that's it for today's explanation. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more problem solving insights tomorrow. Happy coding!